Transform your English. Master the verb advise in reported speech. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of reported speech, focusing on reporting advice. Our star verb for the day is advise, an important reporting verb that you'll need to master. Get ready to enhance your English language skills. When you want to report advice given by someone, the verb advise comes in handy. It's usually followed by an object and an infinitive verb. For instance, if your teacher said, "You should study daily," you can report this advice by saying, "My teacher advised me to study daily." Let's see how the structure works. Direct speech. X advises. You should Y. Reported speech. X advises me to Y. Notice how should in the direct speech becomes to in the reported speech when using advise. Reporting negative advice is just as straightforward. If the advice was not to do something, we simply add not before the infinitive verb. For example, direct speech. You shouldn't smoke, the doctor said. Reported speech. The doctor advised me not to smoke. The structure for negative advice follows this pattern. Direct speech. X advises. You shouldn't Y. Reported speech. X advises me not to Y. Sometimes we use advise without mentioning the person who received the advice. When this happens, we use the verb advise, followed directly by the infinitive. Like this. Direct speech. You should take a break, my friend suggested. Reported speech. My friend advised taking a break. So the structure becomes direct speech. X advises. You should Y. Reported speech. X advises Y-ing. Well done. You've made it to the end. With these structures, you can now confidently use advise to report advice in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep finding opportunities to use these patterns in your English conversations. Keep learning, keep growing, and as always, happy studying.